the front clip off, wheel hub off last night. We're gonna move to this side, get this side cleared, and get the wheel hub off. So I'll jump back once it's off. All right, wheel hub on the passenger side is out. Wheel hub is out on the driver's side. Pretty freaking dirty. She's getting there. Front bumper and headlight wires are out. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not at the front of the car anymore. I've gotten to the passenger side door, got that off, which actually is an absolute pain. Took about 45 minutes, not gonna lie. I'll want to be able to reach these 2 bolts on the fender, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a bit. Alright guys, so we got the front off. Wheel hubs off, and I started taking the fender off, but ran into some issues where you have to take the windshield motor cover off, and it's just very poorly designed. I got to figure out how to get that off. To get to the last bolt on the fender, had to take the door off to get the 2 other bolts on the fender, and that was also just a huge pain, but it's coming along. Just coming along. I'm loving it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Eddie got, as you can see, oh, he got his turbo. Yeah. Pull the lid off. Dang, son. Oh yeah. What is it again? What's the size?
It's a 67 with a 82 exhaust.
Shout out to pfispeed.
Yeah, shout out to pfispeed.
Big time.
You know the deal.
Those guys know what's up. All day. Did you get a sticker from them? They sent you a sticker? Oh yeah.
Yeah, we got Hunter tuned up there too. So we got the injectors from Hunter. Hopefully they work out good.
Alright. What are the goals? What are the goals, fool?
We're gonna send it on the stock motor with this for a little bit. And work on my built motor in the meantime. So we can get that in and turn it all the way up.
Get that in and turn it all the way up. Yep, that sounds pretty accurate. Oh, this thing's gonna rip.
Sí, señor!
We're excited.
Keep it pretty soft on the stock motor though. So
You said what, 10 pounds is gate?
we'll try not to go over that. It's gonna be hard.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna rip on even just 10 pounds. I mean,
It's very hard to keep it to.
it has enough interior. I mean, so we're good. We're good there.
Yeah. That'll be fine.
Don't look at it.
We're working on it.
Dum dum dum. No. Fuel system.
We got a braided line here from the fuel filter here to the new rail. We got AM rail, AM regulator also.
All right. Close on this.
And a set of the decapped LS injectors from Hunter Tune also.
Heck yeah, man. Another
Shout out to Hunter
out.
Tune.
Another shout out. Shit, let me see up here real quick. Let me show them that. This thing is like, how much fuel? All of it, Jimmy.
Enough.
All of it. 21.
These nuts.
That's nuts.
Yeah, it's pretty good size, man. I didn't think it was gonna be that big.
That's what she said. And it begins.
Yes. To build motor, we got the Nippon turbo pistons.
Alright.
All right. And so just set up Speed Factory H beams for it.
Shout out.
Shout out to Speed Factory. Another shout out.
Big time. Yeah.
And yeah, a brand new crank I got buried under there.
Oh, that's right. Yep.
Yeah, so
That thing's gonna rip, dude.
it's gonna send.
It's gonna rip. Oh, what is that?
We got 5.3 goodies over here.
My stuff came in today as well. I got the push rods and lifters at home, but well, boom!
Look at that.
Oh man, I cannot wait to get this thing in the car. You get a flashlight.
Flashlight.
I don't want to drop this. Man, it's super nice. Really happy with it. The quality is really good. The welds are extremely nice. And it got here really fast, so no complaints there at all either. Like, especially with everything that's going on right now. Shout out to Holly for getting it here super fast.
Look at
Those
those.
runners. Dang, son. How much air? All the air. Yeah, this little thing will go all the way in there, so. That's sick.
Oh, this is really nice.
90
Very
millimeter. 90 millimeter.
Damn.
So I was like, that'll be good. Drivability will, so I guess, quote unquote, be there. Not really, but better than a 102. So I've read. I'll just kind of find out. My buddy has a 102 in his F body, so we'll see how the 90 works around town. He's switching to a TH4, so which I'll be running the same trans. So we'll see how the drivability difference is between ours with a 90 versus a 102. Curious to see what real world results will show me instead of just reading what people say on forums. And here are the fuel rails. Let me take this sucker out of here. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, you take that real quick. It's like, cool. Holy FI. Look at that. Our pretty good sized hole. But it's pretty dope. After that, big old
Braided steel lines. Nice.
They came with all the hardware that's taped in there, but it came with all the hardware and the mounting brackets and everything, so
Nice.
super happy about that.
Dude, this thing is just huge.
Drop it all in there. Oh yeah, move the styrofoam off of that. Take a shot of that on the ground like that.
Man, look at it.
Would you look at that?
Would you just? I got what were they? A BTR, hardened push rods, and then LS7. They were LS7 lifters, but I'm cheap and got cheaper LS7 style lifters, and we'll see how they work. Yeah, just they work. Hope to God they work out all right, but I'm sure they'll do fine.
Yeah. See, other people have luck with them, so might as well try them.
And if they don't work out, well then you live, you learn, right? But whatever. Got the sloppy stage 2 cam. And just gonna do Gen 4 stock bottom end 5.3. There's a Gen 3 5.3, but I bought some Gen 4 rods and pistons and stuff, so don't have to worry about anything. Get some ARP rod bolts and then rev it to the moon and, well, hope for the best.
It's a wrap.
That's it. Alright guys, till next time. We'll probably be tearing into this. My other head's going to be assembled, so hopefully the motor for that is all going to be assembled pretty soon. So just keep your eyes out. And yeah, shout out to everyone. pfispeed, Holly. You already know the deal. Comment, rate, subscribe. Yeah, share.